Hello, everyone. Have you been taking pictures with your iPhone and then want to download those pictures into like a Google slide? Well, I've been doing that and it's always worked. But lately, the last few days, when I download the photos from my iPhone to my MacBook Air, suddenly I noticed that the photos are saved as HEIC. When I try to put that photo into like a Google slide, for instance, it doesn't allow it. So I'm going to show you one. Here's a photo I took, and you could see it's being saved as HEIC. So when I drag it into my Google Slides, it tells me the image format is invalid or unsupported. Okay. So then I thought, well, so what could I do? Because I need that picture in a Google slide. Well, this is what you do. You go to a site called heic to jpeg.com. And then what you do is you take your photo, you drop it in here. Okay. Once it's done, it'll say download JPEG. So what I do is I just click that, download JPEG. I go back into my Google slide. And this time when I try to put it in, there it is. There's my picture. It worked. I hope this helps you. Have a good day.